Hi. Yeah, we're doing 2 videos in one day. My ring's getting a little loose there.
I got my phone to work.
What?
I'm not even gonna call them until 6. No, because they go to dinner, don't they? They're not even out.
I was talking to Alex and I'm eating my arm.
She was giving herself a hickey.
No, my arm's all red. And
I'll keep my mouth shut.
Joel says end loud.
her brother's texting us and he's like,
Stop listening to that. No, put on,
get the wrap off. It's hurting me in the inside. Ow, I just hit like my... I can't see the screen.
Okay, you want me to put a good song on?
I have a good song on.
Hold on, pause it.
No. Take your time off.
I would.
You're looking over your shoulder, staring down the path. What the hell is wrong with you?
We're not that loud.
Yeah, you're pretty loud.
I'm sorry.
You're just naturally loud. I told you that over the phone.
Three-quarters the way up the volume, and I still can't hear you.
Sorry. I'll try to be calmer.
That's okay, I'm just leaving.
Okay, have fun.
Wait, where are you going, Trey's house?
What?
Where are you going?
Out.
Okay, have fun.
No, Dad. We actually like you.
Since when? I want to call.
Go ahead.
Oh!
Okay.
Lauren's calling our friend.
I need them more than I need any other. Our phones down.
I look really weird.
Stop.
Oh, let's go see Kevin.
Wait, what?
We have to go see Kevin. Working. We need to go talk to him.
Where's he work?
Well,
I will do it later.
alright, that's fun.
I said later.
But he likes me. Why would you go see him?
Stop!
My bad.
No! There was no answer. What the hell are you listening to? Don't care.
Stop, my hair's not good enough.
I'm looking at Dan's clip now.
Oh,
Dan, you like so loud.
I look really weird. I look like Lauren on a bad day.
Hey.
You look really nice. I look really nice.
Oh,
Okay, compliment.
you know, I'm like, not many people know this, but I'm like super self-conscious. And that's not helping any. Please no. Look at this weird person right here, see? And look at me.
I like my hat more. It's pretty.
I like my hat more. I'm not
you're not.
I'm not gay.
You know, because I like both ways does not mean anything's wrong with me.
You both go both ways, genius.
I look gangster. No, I
you
don't.
don't.
I look
No,
like a
you
freaking
don't.
like emo kid that has no idea what they're doing.
No, you don't.
I look retarded.
Yeah, you do.
What are you listening to? That's a good song. I have this one dot on my arm and it's so
Caught a
freaking annoying.
mosquito bite. I'm gonna put on my glasses.
I forgot my glasses in some distant land
I
called
can see,
school.
but they're all reflecting, so now I don't like it.
I like how half my face is in this thing. Thank you. And not half of your face is in there. That's better. How about I just like scoot it over there? Did it hit the? I thought it hit the food, but there's no food.
There's no food.
Get in the picture. God. Spirit fingers. Oh my God, that was from that cheerleader movie.
Oh God, you come back? Don't push her into me. Push her off the chair. Gosh.
I'm being attacked on both sides. I need reinforcements.
She's gonna help
Here,
you.
listen to this. Listen.
I look really pale today. I've been sick.
I know you've been sick. You said that in the video before.
Guys, shush.
My face hurts. It's been looking
I
at Lauren all
wanted to
day.
the beginning.
Hey!
No, you two, shut up.
Good.
1 minute. I want Maria to listen to this. The beginning of it. Like the first 30 seconds.
One, you just got. I'll call. Even though I'm not supposed to, but okay.
What are you listening to?
It's 5:30. It's an hour late, so they better be there. Pizza Hut can wait.
Like a lighthouse on the coast, like the father and son.
No, time for cool. Oh yeah.
Puff the cherry bowl.
No. Stay quiet. I want to see if this actually works.
Ah, nobody answered.
Did you try the other one?
Let's go out for a walk. I'm tired.
I don't feel like
No, we have to listen to this.
You're never going to get closer to me until you dig down and find courage to come out of the dream. What do you got? The rest of your life? 100%
Oh my god! I remember this song! I heard this when I was like 2. Turn it up. We should get the ringtone. Get the ringtone. I can totally see me in math class and my phone's going off.
Ruining the song. It looks okay.
What?
I don't have the rainbow hat.
Okay, when you're done that song, I'm putting on a song. And Marie, you are not knowing what song.
Wait, that way. What are you doing? There's a reason why that hat is rainbow colored. It's what she sees every time she sniffs it.
What do I see every time I sniff it?
Rainbows.
Oh. Aw, I don't like rainbows. What did it?
My phone's heavy now.
You're stupid.
Smell that. It smells like
I don't want to smell your
it
hat.
smells like perfume. It smells really good. Ow.
What's it, 3501?
3051.
Iron special.
Sweet.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is a hardcore song right here.
Yeah, that one's busy.
Handlebars by the Flow Pods.
What the
Bars. No handlebars. No handlebars. I ride my bike with no handlebars. No handlebars. The only reason I know this song is she called me at like, what was it, like 10 o'clock? Listen to this song!
Yeah. I was like, Maria, you gotta listen to this song.
Guys, it's raining.
I can show you how to scratch a record. I can take apart the remote control. And I can almost put it back together. I can tie a knot in a cherry stem. I can tell you about I can't do that. I tried.
Nope.
I look really weird this
You're not
song.
allowed to go for a walk, alright. Look, it's just a while.
I can do anything that I want, cause look, I can keep
Rhythm with no metronome. I can too.
no metronome. I can see your face on the telephone,
Get in line.
on the telephone.
Can I play my song?
Look at me, just called to say that it's good to be.